Hello student, I welcome to you Jesus Mary YouTube channel. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Imam. I am a teacher of Jesus Mary Academy. Today I will teach standard 9th geography subject. My topic is latitude and longitude, which I have taught you in the previous class. Remaining part of this chapter I will teach you today. Before teaching what have I taught in previous class, again I am going to make you revision. A latitude is the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. There are 181 parallel latitude including the equator. Each parallel of latitude makes a full circle. The equator is the largest circle which divides the earth into two equal halves, namely northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The equator is called a great circle. Rest of the latitude become smaller as one goes away from the equator towards the pole. There is a distance of about 111 kilometer between any two latitudes. The north and south pole are just points. Latitude give us a rough idea about the temperature, climate, related vegetation and the animal life of any place. The most important use of latitude is that along with longitude, it enables us to find the exact location of any place. I have made you revision. Now I am going to teach you a student about prime meridian. Prime meridian, the green meridian or prime meridian is the reference line for measuring east-westward distance on the earth. It is an imaginary line which converge on the two poles and pass through Greenwich near London where there is an old observation located. Prime meridian is taken as zero meridian. The prime meridian along with the longitude divides the earth into two halves or hemisphere. One is the western hemisphere, another is the eastern hemisphere. Part of the earth which lies between 0 degree and 180 degree east longitude is called the eastern hemisphere, and the part of the earth extending between 0 degree and 180 degree west is called the western hemisphere. This I can show you with the help of this figure. Student, you see this figure. By seeing this figure, you are able to know about the thing. Meridians and longitude. Now I am going to teach a student meridians of longitude. The lines of longitudes are imaginary lines which join all the places having the same angular distance east or west of prime meridian. As we know that any circle has 360 degree equator, being a circle has 360 degree or division. Each and every division is joined with north pole and south pole by a semicircle which is known as a longitude. Thus there are 360 longitudes only. This we can see with the help of this figure, student. This will be very beneficial for you. It means 360 degree. Now I am going to tell you that all longitude are semicircle converging north pole and south pole. Two meridians of longitude 180 degree apart from each other. The lines of longitude are also called meridian because all the places located along the particular longitude face the overhead, that is sun, at the same time. Apart from there, two meridians of the longitude 180 degree apart from each other together makes a complete circle on the globe. Now student, the distance between two longitude is maximum at the equator, about 111 kilometer. As one goes away from the equator toward the poles, one finds that the interlongitude distance keeps on decreasing. The distance becomes zero as all the longitudes converge at a pole. Now student, I am going to teach the longitude and time. It means we have to study about the longitude and the time. Before that, I am going to tell you meridian, that is the AM and PM. AM anti-meridian or prime meridian. The two meridian is derived from the Latin words meridians. Meridians middle dies day. Thus the term meridian refers to the sun's position at noon. AM stand of anti-meridian and anti before or before, midday or noon. PM stand for post meridian, that after, late or after, that is midday or noon. Apart from now, today I am going to teach about longitude and time. The spherical shape of the earth makes only one half of it illuminated by the sun at any given time. The other side, which falls is dark side, experience night. Time of any place is measured on the basis of the position of overhead sun, of which the sun is at its highest point. It is noon. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Since the sun does not move but the earth rotates from west to east, the poles located in the east see the sun first and the western place see the sun later. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation of 360 degrees around the sun. It means on its axis. The earth takes 24 hours or complete one rotation 360 degree on its axis. This gives rise to time difference of 24 into 60, that is 360 degree, 4 minutes for 1 degree of longitude. If the 1 degree in earth moves, it takes the 4 minutes. If the earth moves 15 degree, it takes the 1 hour. Same if the earth moves 330 degree, it takes the 2 hours, 120 minutes. Time difference 4 minutes has to be added for each one of longitude toward the east. A time difference of 4 minutes has to be subtracted from each degree of longitude toward the west. In other words, for every 15 degree of longitude toward east, the local time is advanced. Local time is retarded by 1 hour. Now I am going to teach about the what have I taught about the longitude. Now I am going to tell you about latitude is the angular distance of place north or south of the equator. Longitude is the angular distance of a place east-west of the prime meridian. There are 360 meridian of longitude. The prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian is the reference line for locating places east or west and is considered as 0 degree meridian. Each meridian of longitude is semicircle. All meridians are of equal length. All meridians are converge at both poles. The distance between any two meridians of longitude is maximum at the equator, 111 km. The distance between two longitudes keeps on decreasing. One goes toward the pole. Longitudes along with latitudes help in locating any place on the globe. The lines of longitude are used to find the time of any place. Local time. The time of a place recognized by the midday sun is called the local time. All the places located along a particular longitude from North Pole to South Pole face the overhead sun at the same time. When the sun is overhead on a place, the angle of inclination is maximum over there. If we fix a pole on the ground and observe its shadow, we find the length of the shadow is the shorter at 12 noon. It gives a clear indication of the position of the overhead sun. The shadow of the pole will become shorter as noon approaches and it will start growing longer in the afternoon. Now, with the help of some question, now student, I am going to make you understand. The longitude are used to find out the time of any place. Let us take some example to understand this in a better way. Example, if the time is 8 p.m. on Thursday, February 20th at a station at 120 degree east, which is the time day at a station B, 120 degree west. Station A time is a 120 degree east and station B time is a 120 degree west. The time at station A 120 degree east is 8 p.m. The time station B 120 degree west is what? It means we have to find. First we have to make a diagram. With the help of this diagram, we are able to know. It means first we have to that is the left side we have to write 120 degree west, and between that we have to put the 0 degree, and east side we have to write 120 degree. We have to write the time 8 p.m. that is Thursday in station A, and we write the station B. Time. The difference of longitude between station A and station B, 120 degree plus 120 degree, we have to add, then we have to get the 240 degree. 1 of longitude makes difference of 4 minutes. So the difference of time between two places, we have to multiply by 4, that we have got 960 minutes, or 960 divided by 6, that is 16 hours. Station B is the west of station A, so the time at station B will be 16 hours behind the time at station A. Thus time at station B will be 8 p.m. 16 hours, or 8 p.m. 16 hours, that is the 4 a.m. The time at station B will be 4 a.m. Thursday, February 20th. For example, this is the answer that we have to got the 4, that is west side we have to subtract, go behind, east side we have to go ahead, and 0 degree equator we have to mention, and we have to put as a green which mean time. Right hand side is the east, we have to add, and left side is west, that we have to subtract. Now next example, student, what is the time at the station X located at 80 degree east when it is noon at station Y located at 15 degree west on Thursday? Solution. With the help of that solution, we are able to know the answer. Time at station Y 15 degree west, the 12 noon. Time at station X 80 degree east, that is it means in the same process we have to follow, 15 degree west and 80 degree east. And time 12 noon Thursday, station Y and station X we have to find. Difference between the time, that we have to add both degree, 80 degree plus 15 degree, we got the 95 degree. One longitude we know makes a difference of 4 minutes. So with the time differences between station X and Y will be 95 degree multiplied by 4. Thus we have to get 380 minutes, or 380 minutes we have to divide by 60, so we get a 6 hour 20 minutes. As station X is located to the east of station Y, so the time of station X will be ahead of the time of station Y. Thus the time of station X 12 noon plus 6 hour 20 minutes we have to add, that tells about 6 hour 20 minutes PM, the primary post meridian. Next, the answer, thus the time at station X will be 6:20 PM, 6:20 PM, or 18:20 hours, or on Thursday. Third example, find out of the time at Tokyo located at 140 degree east longitude when the time at Mumbai located at 73 degree east is 11 p.m. on Wednesday 24th September. Time at Mumbai 73 degree east, the 11 p.m. on Wednesday. Time at Tokyo 140 degree east, that 0 degree meridian we have to put now 0 degree. Apart from, we have to write the name 73 degree east Mumbai and 140 degree east Tokyo. Both the time is here now in the right hand side of Greenwich Mean Time. Difference of longitude between Tokyo and Mumbai minus 140, we have to subtract from it means 73 degree we have to subtract from 140. Thus we get the answer 67 degree. We know about 1 degree of longitude makes a difference of 4 minutes. So the time difference between Tokyo and Mumbai will be 67 into 4 minutes, that is 268 minutes, or 268 minutes we have to divide by 60, we get the 4 hours 28 minutes. Thus we are able to know about the time of Tokyo and Mumbai. As Tokyo lies on the east of Mumbai, so the time of Tokyo will be ahead of the time of Mumbai. Thus the time of Tokyo 11 p.m. plus 4 hours 28 minutes, that is about 3:28 am of the next day. Next example, the answer. The time of Tokyo will be 3:28 am Thursday, that is the 25th September. By knowing the time difference between two places and longitude of one place, we can easily find out the longitude of the place. Also, if the time difference is ahead of the known station, the station lies to the east, and if it is behind, the station lies on the west of the known station. Next example, calculate the longitude of position of a ship whose navigation officer observed the GMT is 16 hours. When the local time is known, 16 minutes past 16 hours. When the local time is known, the solution, the time of Greenwich Mean Time is 16 minutes past 16 hours, 0 degree longitude. Local time where ship is located noon and 16 minutes past 16 hours. As we know that Greenwich Mean Time is based on 0 degree longitude, the time difference between the ship's local time and Greenwich Mean Time is 16 minutes past 16 hours, that 12 noon, 4 hours 16 minutes, or 256 minutes. 1 degree longitude make a difference of 4 minutes. So the time difference of 256 minutes will make a difference of longitude 256 divided by 4, that is 64 longitude. As the local time of ship is behind of that of the Greenwich Mean Time, so the ship lies to the west of Greenwich meridian. Longitude showing located of the ship is 64 degree west. Now student, today I have taught the first chapter. Remaining part of this chapter I will teach in the next class. Today now I am going to stop my teaching. Have a nice day.